A very good morning to honorable judges, teachers, and fellow friends. Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Noliana Ashikin binti Muhammad Kamal. I am in 5 Ibn Sina. I am 11 years old. I study at Sekolah Kebangsaan Temai. My school code is CBA 5029. In my free time, I like to read comic books. I also like surfing internet. My ambition is to become a doctor. Today, I am very delighted and excited to share about my book that I have read. First and foremost, I would like to share about myself. As a prefect in school, I must be a good example to my friend. So, I must read many books to gain knowledge. Now, let me tell you about these two books that I have read. My first book is African Stories, retold by Alan Moore from the Raintree English Radio Level 5 series. This book was published by Penerbit Fajar Bakti Sdn Bhd in early 2000. This book has 89 pages. There are 15 stories in this book, the based on myths and legend of the region. African Story is a collection of traditional folk tales from different parts of Africa. The story introduces readers to Africa culture, custom, belief, and wildlife through exciting adventures and memorable characters. Each story teaches an important moral lesson such as honesty is rewarded, wisdom is more valuable than strength, kindness and generosity bring happiness, greed and pride often lead to trouble. Courage and teamwork help overcome difficulties. This book also helps readers appreciate Africa's rich storytelling tradition where stories are passed down from generation to another to entertain and teach valuable life lessons. Second book is Magnetism. This book was written by Steve Parker. This book was published by Pearson Education Limited in 2006 and has 64 pages. Steve Parker has authored several educational books for various ages of group. Some of the popular titles is Electricity and Magnetism. Now, let's take a closer look at the book. As you can see, the book cover has a very unique aurora picture. The cover designer, Ian Winton, has done a very good cover to symbolize magnetism that happen in nature. One of the main points of this book is how mysterious the magnetism, because the force of the magnet is something that cannot be seen. This book has also showed me lots of new information. And by that I just realized how much magnetism we as a human use in our daily life, such as in toys and games, handphone or cameras, even things like credit card. Other than that, I would also like to point out interesting fact, which is magnetism has a direction from one pole to other and it also has induction. Wow, this is so cool. By that, we can now relate how did a compass function and why natural phenomenon like aurora dice happen. Did you also know? And so animals like birds, fish, and whales has a natural built-in compass that can help in them measures. From this book, if lean some moral values that we imply. Firstly, we must be grateful to this earth. God has created systematically with magnetism. Secondly, we must appreciate the ideas of magnetism that has been found by its spread. Because it has so many good reviews, the endlessly must be diligent to read book. Because reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. I got so many discovered from this book and hope you so. Thank you.